Step 1. Take your steak out of the fridge and put it on the counter for 15 minutes before cooking it. Don't skip this. If you don't know what kind of steak to get, go with a boneless New York strip like this one. Step 2. Generously season all sides of the steak with salt and pepper. Step 3. Heat up a little olive oil in your frying pan on medium-high heat. Medium-high is about 3/4 of the way up on your stove's knob. Step 4. Sear all sides of the steak for 1 full minute each, including the edges and ends. Use tongs. Don't pierce the steak with a fork to turn it. Step 5. Continue cooking the steak on its sides, turning over every 1 minute. Step 6. Peel 1 clove of garlic and crush it slightly. Step 7. After the steak has been turned a couple times, drop in a lump of butter and your clove of garlic. Baste the steak with the melted butter and juices after each turn. Rub the top of the steak with the garlic clove. Keep turning the steak over every 1 minute. For this New York strip steak, it was in the pan a total of about 11 minutes. A thinner steak will need less time. A thicker steak needs more. Step 8. Use a meat thermometer. For a medium rare steak, you want the inside to be as close to 135 degrees Fahrenheit as possible. Start checking the temperature after it's been in the pan for a few minutes. Take it out of the pan once it hits somewhere between 130 and 135, as it will continue cooking a bit after you take it off the heat. Step 9. Let the steak rest on a cutting board or plate for a full 10 minutes before cutting into it. Don't skip this. Step 10. Enjoy the most delicious steak you've ever made. Step 11. Be sure to like and subscribe for more DIY basics videos in the future.